How to add payment method on Remitly. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a payment method on Remitly. To get started, first of all, you will need to open your Remitly application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Now here at the bottom right, you will be able to locate Manage icon. Simply tap on this icon and then you will be taken to this page. Once you reach to this page, here under account details, look for payment methods option. You'll get this option just below the settings option. Once you locate it, simply tap on this payment methods option and inside it, you will be able to see add payment method option. Simply tap on this option and in the next page, you will be able to see two different methods. You can either link your card or bank account. If you'd like to add your card as payment method, then simply select the card option here. And inside it, now you will need to fill in these details. In the first text box here, enter the 16-digit card number. Once after entering it, now enter the expiration date in the second field. Make sure to enter it in the similar format, month and year. After that, enter the security code or the 3-digit number that you can find at the back side of your card. Once after entering it, enter your name as it appears on your card. Make sure to enter it correctly. Also, if you have your card nickname, you can add it in this field, but this one is optional. You may also choose to skip it. Now after this, scroll a bit down and now you will need to enter the billing address. Simply tap on this address section and then add your address. Make sure to add it correctly. Once after entering your full address, now you can simply tap on the save button at the very bottom in order to save your card details. After doing that, you will see you have successfully added card as the payment method. Also, if you'd like to add bank account instead, then you can simply come back to the previous page by simply tapping on the arrow at the top left corner of your screen and here select bank account. Tap on bank account. Now inside it, you will need to choose between two different types of bank account, whether checking or savings. Simply choose one of these based on your account. Once after choosing them, now enter the routing number in the first field. After that, enter your account number in the second field. Now scroll a bit down and enter the name as it appears on your account. Also, if you have the nickname of your account, then you can simply enter it in this field. But this one is optional, you may also choose to skip it. Now after that, scroll a bit down and enter your billing address. Simply tap on it and enter your address. Make sure to enter the full address correctly. Now once after entering all of them, simply tap on the save button at the very bottom and then you will be able to save this as your payment method. Now after doing that, you will be able to add payment method on Remitly. And while sending the money, you can pick new payment option at checkout. So this is how you can add payment method to your Remitly account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.